Welcome everyone back with another video on investment fours. Today we're going to do a portfolio update. Account sitting around $3,000 and $46.91. I'm down 3.23% for the day. The market's taking a beating. I don't know but is this just me or is it how's your accounts looking? But my account has actually been taking a beating for the past couple of weeks. So let's just keep it moving. Past week, I also been down 3.39%. The past month, been down 7.76%. Past 3 months, down 8.55%. Year to date, 0.39%. Past year, 0.33%. So I definitely need to make some changes here and do something a lot different because this is for my results for the total past year is not that great. So comment down below, let me know what you think. But I don't know if your portfolio is taking beatings. I mean, some people are making a lot of gains, but you can play this market two edges going down. So now going forward, I'm gonna be starting. I'm actually already doing, but I'm actually gonna look at it as paying yourself first challenge. Letting your money work for you. That from now on, that's what I'm gonna be focusing on. No matter what the market go up or down, I'm just gonna be paying myself first if the market goes up or down. So I placed the Nokia call, $7.50, and actually I just bought 2 buys, but I put it out for a month, but we'll see what it does. And you actually see it's actually taking a beating down 38%. So I got a month out, so we'll see. We'll see how Nokia will play. I should have got in over a $7 call, but it is what it is. We'll see if it can clear that $7.50 and see how it does. So that's a little gamble play I got. A little option I threw on there. But you look at it, everything is in the red. I mean, Solana is in the red. Ticker symbol QQQ is in the red. I just added more to my QQQ bag. Wasn't much, but put a little bit in there. Got a now market value $162, and the total return is up over 16%. So I'm actually thinking about really doing a challenge with this one too as well. It's putting like excuse me, $50 a week into this play. I want to start this up either beginning of this year and the new year 2026 and just consistently put $50 a week into ticker symbol QQQ because it's actually been performing very, very steady and very well in this account. And I actually honestly don't think I'm ever planning on selling this one. And I'm glad I kind of added this one as a great foundation. But now I just focus on trying to get to one share, one ETF of this play because I really like this one. I think it's just growing, long term growth. I mean, I just you can see this thing is just growing every week. It's up over 3.32% for the week. The past month been up over 4.82%. Past 3 months been up over 10.25%. Year to date have been up over 21%. In the past year been up over 25%. Past 5 years been up over 121%. The max of all time been up over 629%. So I did add a little bit more to my ticker symbol TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor. I'm trying to get one full share of this company here. I told you I'm trying to get more into semiconducting. So I just put a little bit in there. I'm not just taking my time with it, but I'm going to keep dollar cost average until I get to one share and see how this thing goes. I mean, I really don't, like I said, I really don't plan on selling this one. We'll hold this one out. I'm looking at a 5 to 10 year long game on this play too as well. So we'll see how this one performs. Across the board here, I didn't buy any more ULTY. It's taking a beating. It actually went down under $5 now. And it's taking a complete beating. I'm showing you in things in the red days. I'm showing you things going down. I'm showing where my portfolio goes up, and this is what it's doing for the day. Is going down, and a lot of my plays are going down in the red. So you see, I'm down 17% in this play. Um, I got a weekly payment for the day of $19.64. So I guess that's all is good after for this play. But I'm actually thinking about actually turning my drip off too on all of these weekly players and monthly players this for a little while and try a different strategy and see what I could do with my money that's going into my buying power and see if I can move it around to different plays. I've got that idea in mind too. So there's some different things I can play around with there. I did buy more ticker symbol TSYY, and I'm trying to get my cost basis down. And that's Granted Shares ETF Trust Yield Boost, and that's trading around $7.79. So now I have 38 shares, and I'm down 6.21%. The market value of $298.73. And I believe this one pays out on Tuesday too. And I just recently got a dividend payment of $5.30, and I just bought 12 more shares. So I'm actually trying to see how this one perform. Hopefully, it do a lot better than ticker symbol ULTY. I'm gonna play this one long term too, and just see how this one performs. Pretty much tracks Tesla. And Tesla's a great company. You see, they are trading up over $400 now. So. But we'll see. I think this will be a great fun to hold long term, and we'll just see how this one goes. I did add a little bit more to a Bitcoin ETF. So I added a little bit more to ticker symbol YBTC. And it's trading around $37.82. It's a round hill Bitcoin cover call strategy. And like I said, I don't never plan on selling this one. Now I'm sitting up for 8.5 shares, what it's called at. And average calls I bought in around $42. You see I'm down 10%. But I'm just going to keep buying this one. I like this one as well. Like I said, I believe in Bitcoin. I don't think Bitcoin's ever going anywhere. I think it's going to reach way more than what it is sitting at right now. So just going to keep buying. And I don't care what anybody says. It's on my portfolio. I find advice. This is what I'm doing. You could just follow along and follow my journey. You can see when I go down, I go down. You can see when I go up, I go up. It's just going to be the raw truth on this channel. So you'll be able to see everything. I got a weekly paying dividend of $2.37 for ticker symbol YBTC. I did add a little bit more to ticker symbol BTCI, the NEO's Bitcoin High Income ETF, trading around $54.52. And this is a monthly payer. I have close to 3 shares of this play. You can see I was down. I'm now down 10%. The average cost of $58.36. Not too bad, but I'm gonna keep buying. I mean, like I said before, I'm tracking Bitcoin, and I believe in it. It's not going anywhere. I'm gonna keep adding to this fund for a long time. And this one's actually a 10-year out play. So both of these, we'll see how they perform, and I will just slowly work my way up and build these plays up as well. And I believe, what else did I add? I think, I added more to penny stock here. Not too much, but I bought a little bit more. Taking some OVID, Over Therapeutics. I now have 72 shares. I'm actually looking to buy more. I'm trying to catch, just dipping. So I'm going to keep buying. Like I said, I believe in this company. I'm going to try to hold this one. It's just going to be a short term, kind of long term. Get this one out to about 5 years and see how this one does. But I'm going to continue to buy, try to bring my cost basis down and see where it goes. I guess I could play a little bit more options with some of these plays and start dropping some puts on some of these as the market's going down. I really don't think about that until it actually happens, because a lot of these plays I could be making money on the way down. Normally, as people make money on the way up, I could be making money on the way down with some of these plays. So I might be looking into that. See, for next week, I'll start looking at placing some puts. If this market continue to crash, I'm gonna try to make some money on the way down. So actually, let's click over to my IRA account and see how that one's performing. You see, it's now up over. Well, now it's up just after our 0.214%, and total value is $1,100, $55.98. Nvidia's been actually been performing very well, and Google had their earnings, but I just added a little bit more to Nvidia, and have now over 2.5 shares. I mean, it's not much, but I'll take it. I mean, you see, I'm up 53%. Nvidia market value of $511. I will be buying more. This is a long-term hold for me, 10 years plus. So I really don't. I don't care where the price is at. I'm just gonna keep buying. Like I said, I believe in this company, just like people believe in Walmart. So um, I'm gonna keep buying. And another one too that I really want to add more to in this IRA. Take some BITS. This one actually been flying big time under the radar, and I only have partial share of this company. You see, our average cost I bought in at $67.94, and it's been up a total return of 54%. So it's pretty much done double. And this one's actually flying under the radar. I would like to add more to this fund here, and I believe this is a monthly payer too as well. So pays out monthly dividends. I haven't been getting much. I believe this one's I believe it's a monthly payer. I haven't really been tracking this one, but like I said, I follow Bitcoin. I believe in it. I'm holding it long term, and like I said, I'm just gonna keep buying. And one too that I'm actually kind of really eyeing that next to really start building out in this portfolio is SCHD. I'm actually disappointed I don't have more. I have sitting over 4 shares, but I mean, this is a great growth ETF. So I'm actually a little disappointed that I haven't been buying more. You see, I'm down 6% even in this play. This is supposed to be like one of the best growth ETFs out there, and I'm still down in this play. So I mean, the market has been taking a beating. I mean, we have been hitting all-time highs, but it just depends on what plays that you're into. Because a lot of plays have been actually running up. I'm not even going to lie. Because you can see this portfolio actually is better than my individual account. You see the past week been up over 2.77%. The past month been up over 4.47%. The past 3 months been up over 13.65%. Year to date been up over 22%. Past year up over 25%. And all time been up over 41%. So not really that bad. It's actually doing pretty good. It's better than my individual account. So because this is long term, you don't want your long term IRA account doing bad. Like the other ones just kind of play around with high yield dividends. You see, I really don't have too many at all in this one. I think I've had like maybe one or two, and that's I believe that's a QQQY, and I have YMAX too. I don't even know why I have YMAX in here. I probably just get rid of that and move that maybe to SCHD. But QQY, I like this one. I just will not sell it, but I used to have now over 4 shares, and I've been having this for a while. And I bought it kind of high at $30. You see, I'm down 16%. But this is a weekly payer for this account, and it just keeps paying. I mean, I like to pay dividend payments. It's not much, but it's paying consistently around 80 to 70 cents a week. So that'll help this portfolio out. Like I said, I'm going to turn the drip off on both accounts and maybe disperse funds to different plays. So I'm thinking about trying that out, going forward. So maybe start next week. Let's just turn the drip off and see what I could do that on that aspect of investing. And like I said, I'm getting more into options trading. I'm actually thinking about trading some few options on my IRA, but I'm trying to build a little bit more, at least to $2 to $3 grand before I actually start playing with options in my traditional IRA. So I won't really want to play around, gamble too much in that account. With individual account, yeah, I'm placing options from now on. So even if I win or lose, I'm still gonna play around with it and just, especially try to catch things on like the earnings reports, a lot of the earnings. So I'm trying to catch a lot of plays when that happens and try to place my bets from that point. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about this investing journey. Let me know, comment down below what you think about the market. Everything is crashing. Crypto's crashing right now. Stuff is being manipulated. What are your thoughts on that? And make sure you check out some of the links below. And everybody, thanks for watching. And everybody have a good one. I'm out. Peace.